So you may not know it, but your position in crypto may in fact be getting stolen from you. And what I mean by that I don't mean that someone's coming into your wallet and taking your crypto or anything like that. But right now we're at a time where people are frankly feeling some fear. Some people may be investing with emotion. Some people may be trying to get cute and wait for further drops in the market. And this is about that point where the market starts punishing people. Unfortunately, people may not want to hear this, but there is some manipulation that takes place in the market. I've had some questions about this, saw a couple questions yesterday, so I thought this would be a good thing to address. And right now, what we're seeing is actually a little bit of manipulation from institutional money. Now, they're not manipulating things per se, but we went on this period here over basically 7 days where they were selling, dumping, over $1 billion worth of BTC into the market. And it obviously did things to the charts, right? This dumping of a ton of money caused some fear. People sold off, people capitulated, we didn't want to lose everything, right? And then yesterday was a day where they flipped around. In fact, they accumulated $31 million of BTC. Now, this wasn't a buy across the board. We had dumping from Grayscale. We had some dump from Arkham Investments, but who is it? Five is not 5it. Anyways, there was some accumulating that took place yesterday while the market was down, while we were dipped, while we were below our trends, below our 20-week moving average. And this is the point that I want to make. Right now is probably the worst possible time to be making some of these mistakes. There are 2 times in crypto where it's very easy for the market to be manipulated: during the bear market cycle and during the summer after the halving or around the time of the halving. And why that is things tend to get stagnant. There's not a whole lot going on. Prices are kind of boring. It's blah. People tend to either do one of 2 things: chase shiny toy objects and quick flips and things like that, or people are afraid to lose all their money and hope for maybe some lower prices to accumulate. This is the moment where the market will in fact punish you, because guess what? Institutional money has been around for a while. Some of it's been in crypto, but institutional money got rich by being smart. Okay. When they are buying, it's probably a good time to be buying. Now, this is not financial advice or anything like that, but we have to watch what capital is doing. It's the reason why I post as many videos as I do. It's the reason why I talk about so many different things, because what I've seen is there's all this capital that's sitting on the sidelines right now that's waiting to get in. And you really think institutional money is giving up their position right now, knowing what cycles past have done? They're not. They're playing games, right? They're trying to get lower entry points. They're trying to accumulate more at cheaper prices. They're basically kind of hedging their bets per se, right? They'll create massive short positions on the future side, and they'll accumulate on the spot side. It's kind of goofy how they do things, but just look at, for example, yesterday, what was happening. Huge amounts of trading from institutional money in BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF, $1.1 billion in trading volume. There isn't a lull going on right now on the institutional side. They know what they're doing. All right. It's a question of whether you're going to fall into the trap or not. Are you going to have your position stolen? Are you going to basically screw yourself before this really exciting time in crypto? Right now, guys, we're like right here. All right. If you look at the past cycle, we're kind of right in this bit right here before things get truly wild. Cycle before that, we're kind of right in here, right before things get wild. Same thing all the way back here. 2012 was a little different, but we're kind of right in here. Things are about to take off in a big way, and people are on the verge of losing positions. I've seen people say, "Oh yeah, I'm waiting for lower prices in terms of certain alts," or "I think we're gonna go down to $20,000 BTC." Fat chance. I don't know if that's the right term. Slim chance. There you go. Slim chance. There we go. I better correct that. Slim chance that prices drop beyond what we're at right now. And why I say that is many of the things that I've referenced before. Bitcoin sitting right now just about at its 20-week moving average, strong balance point for BTC historically during bull market cycles. All this capital sitting on the sideline waiting to buy, imminent approval and launch of Ethereum spot ETFs. The wave is going to hit, and many people are going to get left holding nothing. So I appreciate you guys as always. As always, this is not financial advice, but I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on this. Hope you guys have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.